Have you noticed this? Every new AI video model launches the exact same way. People get hyped. Creators post insane examples. Then you click the button and hit a paywall, but Grok just dropped its new Imagine Video 1.5 model. It's faster. The motion feels more natural. Even the audio's better. And after testing it myself, I found a way to use it without paying up front. I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's jump in. Before I show you anything, I want you to see what this model can actually do. Take a look at this. Every one of these was generated using Grok's new video model. No editing, no upscaling, no external effects, just an image and a prompt. So now, let's build one from scratch, and I'll show you exactly how these videos are made. Grok has just released its new video model, Imagine Video 1.5. And according to their announcement, it focuses on these key improvements: clearer and better synced audio,
Do you have children, Robert?
better motion consistency, and faster generation speed. Now, during my testing, it wasn't just slightly better. It was noticeably faster compared to previous versions. But the real problem is where you can actually test it without paying up front. And that's where things get interesting. I tested multiple platforms claiming access to Grok's new model. Most required a subscription, but I found one that lets you try it for free, and hardly anyone knows about it yet. The platform is called oi.ai. When you sign in, you get 200 credits and 60 daily free bonus credits. Now, this isn't just a video tool, it's a full AI creation suite. You'll find video reimagine, character design, item design, product ads, and several other AI tools. But today, we're focusing only on the video workflow, so click Start Creating. At the bottom, you'll see the prompt box. Click on the Agent dropdown. You'll see two main tabs, Image and Video. Under Image, there are several models like GPT Image, Nano Banana, Midjourney, Seedream, and others available on the free plan. For this example, I'll use Nano Banana. I'll paste my prompt, set aspect ratio to 16:9, and generate. After a short wait, here's what you get. The detail is extremely sharp. Lighting feels cinematic. Textures look clean and realistic. And honestly, this already feels like something you'd normally pay for. Now, let's animate it. Click New Project, then hit this plus icon and upload your image. Next, open the Video tab. Here, you'll find multiple AI models to choose from. Some, like Seedens 2, are locked behind subscription. But here's the key part. Grok Imagine Video 1.5 is available on the free tier. Select it. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Duration can be up to 15 seconds. Enter your prompt and hit Generate. After a short wait, your video is ready. And this is the raw output. No editing, no enhancement. And what stands out immediately is the motion feels stable, the camera movement is smooth, and the lighting stays consistent across frames. This is actually impressive, but one example isn't enough. Let's push it with something more dynamic. I'll upload another image. Keep Grok Imagine 1.5 selected. Leave the aspect ratio to 16:9. Set the duration to 15 seconds. Add a new prompt. Then click Generate. And here's the result. Again, very clean motion. Better camera flow this time. More natural movement. And it almost feels like a short cinematic film clip. So, Grok's new video model combined with this platform gives you a simple way to test it without paying up front. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.